Translation skills for media entrant. This is one of the essential course that every media student must pursue. Today, translation has high demand in media field. Translating news stories, articles, advertising copies, subtitles, etc. are in high demand today. So let us begin with the introductory part. Part 1, Introduction to Translation. Now, translation basically can be defined as a process of transforming one text from one language to another language. The definition itself says that translation is defined as a process of translating word or text from one language into another. Further, it can be defined as a communication of meaning of source language text by means of an equivalent target language text, which means transformation of word, text, phrase from one language, that is called source language, to the language in which you are supposed to translate, the target language. In reference to India, we have hundreds of local languages, and the entire scenario of translation in India has a different significance. So, translation in India has a different level of understanding and acceptance. According to some researchers, uh, there cannot be absolute translation of everything. So, suppose for an instance, okay, if the name of the person is Panduranga and the surname is Kale, you cannot translate it. If you translate it, it is hilarious. Panduranga, white color black. Panduranga Kale. No, that is not accepted. Then what is accepted in translation? Translation is a creative process. So, there are things which are non translated. We have to keep it aside and we have to focus on what can be translated. The first thing that a translator must focus on the meaning of the text, and making it interesting. There must be a creativity used in translation. Translation needs command on both the languages, source language as well as the target language. A translator must be creative enough to make a copy interesting without distorting the meaning. That is the caution that a translator must take while translating the text. It requires special skills. To translate something from one language to another, there are few specific skills or a set of skill required. Along with the curiosity and the creativity, a translator must be specialized in both languages. There must be sense of articulation, how to articulate it. There must be a focus and technically sound. That is the new feature that a translator must have. Let us look at the need and significance of translation in media. News and copy translation. In Indian media, considering the regional languages are dominating the media field, there are news, feature articles, advertising copy, press releases, etc. need to be translated every day from one language to another. It can be English to Hindi, English to Marathi, Marathi to Hindi, Hindi to Marathi, Marathi to Gujarati, Gujarati to Tamil, Tamil to Telugu, n number of permutation and combinations. So if you have command on more than two or three languages, you can have a better chance to be to sustain in media as a translator. Film and other mediums. As I said earlier, film subtitles, okay, there you need a translator that translating or transforming the dialogue in the other language. Okay, apart from subtitling, dubbing, you have seen many Tamil, Telugu, Kannada movies in Hindi. You have seen Hindi movies dubbed in other languages. You have seen Hollywood movies dubbed in Hindi or any Indian languages. So there you have a scope, and that's why translation or a translator, you can opt it as a career option. There is increasing demand and importance for translation because of globalization, literal translation, literary translation, and the most important thing, in upcoming years, we are going to deal with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Translators' role in reference to India is 10 times more effective in this upcoming technology. Thank you.